Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So I'm flying solo today because Johan is at work, so I decided to spoil the parentals. And we are at the Wildt Cheetah Centre, previously known as the Wildt Cheetah Centre. I can't wait to show you what we have today. We'll see you now. Come. I said come.
Good morning and welcome at the Wildt Cheetah Centre. Sam is my name and I'm gonna be a guide, but not all of you. Just for now, when we're doing the cheetah run, I'll be having everyone for the cheetah. They are sprinters, and then they cannot chase their prey for more than a minute. If they chase for more than a minute, they caught the prey they didn't catch, they will stop because they get exhausted.
The name cheetah derives from the Hindu word cheetah, which means the spotted one, and a cheetah has about 2,000 spots. And a fun fact, a cheetah doesn't roar, it meows or purrs. So we took the cheetah run and guided tour package. It is 480 Rand per person, adult. And yeah, you see the cheetahs run and they take you to a well-informative guided tour on an open vehicle. Bring comfortable shoes, sun hat and sunscreen and appreciate the nature. It's amazing. This is the rare king cheetah, and its pattern is due to a recessive genetic mutation.
Just right, remember, for the cheetah, from there all the way to here. In a flare, there will be more females compared to the males, right? Because when the males, when they are born at about 2.5 to 3 months, then they would leave. So there will be the dominant males that are capable of mating in the family, maybe 2-3 males, and then lots of females. So as there's lots of females, the matriarch of the group, she needs to reserve the boys for herself somehow. So they mimic the genitalia of the males, right? So the people tend to think they are hermaphrodite. This is nothing. Wait until we get to those ones that we're going to see later. That's gonna. Yeah. All right.
It's amazing.
Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Unknown discoveries are awaiting. Tropical rainbows dive into mountain springs. When the night falls, here come all kinds of species. Aardwolves, buffaloes, owls and bush babies. Honor and preserve the wildlife splendor. Honor and preserve the wildlife splendor. Care for and learn from the work of Mother Nature. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Somewhere in the world, the sun shines right now. Are you ready?
More wider.
On the guided tour, there's so much to see, from vultures to caracals and even a honey badger. There's so much wildlife here. This was one of the best experiences we ever had. It has to be on your bucket list. And thank you so much for joining me today. It was a fantastic day. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure. We hope to see you the next one. Thank you so much for joining. Bye.